Welcome to Wondrous Kids TV.
Hi, friends. Today, we're going to learn about different types of animals. From farm animals to jungle animals, pets at home to creatures under the sea. Each one is so amazing and fun to discover. Are you ready? Let's go explore together. Farm animals. Farm animals are the animals that live on a farm. They help us in many ways. Cows. Cows give us milk to drink. Goats. Goats give us milk and sometimes cheese too. Pig. They love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Pigs can give us pork, bacon, and ham. Sheep. Sheep give us soft wool for clothes. Horse. Horses help people carry things and ride around. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs that we can eat. Next, we have wild animals. Wild animals are animals that live in the forest, jungle, desert, or mountains. They don't live on farms or in our houses, they live in nature. Isn't that amazing? Lion. A lion is a wild animal. Lions are called the kings of the jungle. Elephant. Elephants are very big and have long trunks. Elephants are the largest living land animals. Isn't that amazing? Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Wow! They have very long necks and long legs that help them reach the leaves at the very top of tall trees. Now, let's meet the zebra. Zebras look a little like horses, but they have amazing black and white stripes all over their bodies. Do you know what's cool? Every zebra's stripes are different, just like fingerprints. No two zebras look exactly the same. Let's say hello to the monkey. Monkeys are playful animals that love to climb and swing in the trees. They have long arms and tails that help them move around quickly. Some monkeys even use their tails like an extra hand. Monkeys eat lots of different things like fruits, leaves, and nuts. And yes, they really love bananas. Ocean animals. They live in water, breathe through gills, except whales and dolphins who need air, and have so many cool ways of surviving under the sea. The ocean is home to so many creatures. Let's meet a few. Dolphin. Dolphins are playful swimmers. They jump, flip, and make clicking sounds to talk to each other. Let's meet the mighty whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the whole world. Some are even longer than a school bus. Whales are gentle giants of the ocean, and they remind us how big and beautiful our world really is. Here comes the shark. Sharks are powerful swimmers that have lived in the ocean for millions of years. Wow! Sharks have sharp teeth and super strong jaws to catch their food. Sharks are amazing creatures of the ocean, fast, strong, and built to survive. Let's meet the sea turtle. Sea turtles are gentle animals that live in the ocean but come to the beach to lay their eggs in the sand. They have hard shells to protect their bodies, and they use their big flippers to swim gracefully through the water. Sea turtles love to eat things like seaweed, jellyfish, and small plants. Now, let's meet the fish. Fish come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some are tiny, like your finger, and some are huge like a car. Fish live in the water and breathe using gills, which help them take in oxygen from the water. They have fins and tails to help them swim fast and smoothly. Fish are some of the most amazing and diverse creatures in the ocean. Welcome to the Arctic. The Arctic is a very cold place at the top of the world. It's covered in ice and snow. Even though it's freezing, many amazing animals live here. Penguin. They are birds, but guess what? They can't fly. Instead, they're amazing swimmers. Penguins use their wings like flippers to zoom through the water, almost like little rockets. They love cold places with lots of snow and ice. Polar bears. Meet the giants of the Arctic. Polar bears are huge white bears that live on the ice and snow at the very top of the world. Their thick fur and fat keep them super warm in freezing weather. They are amazing swimmers, using their big paws like paddles to glide through icy water. Seal. They are smooth, wiggly animals that love to swim in the icy oceans. They have flippers instead of hands and feet, which makes them super fast in water. Seals live on both ice and land. On land, they like to sunbathe or rest on the ice. In water, they dive deep to catch fish, squid, and other yummy treats. Bugs and insects. Tiny, wiggly, and amazing. Insects are small creatures with 6 legs, and some even have wings to fly. Bugs are all around us, on plants, in the soil, and even buzzing in the air. They help plants grow and clean up nature. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful, delicate insects that love to fly from flower to flower. They sip sweet nectar from flowers using their long, twisty tongues. Did you know butterflies start life as tiny caterpillars? Then they spin a cozy cocoon and magically transform into beautiful butterflies. Ladybugs. Tiny, spotted, and super cute. Ladybugs are small, round insects with bright red or orange shells covered in black spots. They might look tiny, but they are mighty helpers in gardens. Bee. Bees are tiny, flying insects with yellow and black stripes. They are super important because they help flowers grow by carrying pollen from one flower to another. Bees live in hives with their bee friends. The queen bee is the boss, while worker bees collect nectar to make sweet honey. Ants. Tiny, strong, and super busy. Ants are small insects with 6 legs and tiny bodies, but don't let their size fool you. They are incredible workers. Ants live in colonies underground called ant hills, where they have tunnels, rooms, and even nurseries for baby ants. Some ants are workers, some are soldiers, and one special ant is the queen who lays all the eggs. Ants are amazing team players. Birds. Chirp, flap, fly. Birds are animals with feathers, wings, and beaks. Most birds can fly high in the sky, but some, like penguins and ostriches, do not fly at all. Now let's see some birds. Parrots. Parrots are brightly colored birds with feathers that can be green, red, blue, yellow, or even a rainbow of colors. They have curved beaks that are super strong, perfect for cracking nuts and seeds. Parrots are also very smart. Some parrots can mimic sounds. That means they can copy noises, whistles, and even human words. Owl. Owls are mysterious birds that come out mostly at night. They have big round eyes that help them see in the dark and super sharp hearing to catch their prey. Their heads can turn almost all the way around. Wow! That helps them look in every direction without moving their body. Duck. Ducks are water birds that love to swim in ponds, lakes, and rivers. They have webbed feet that work like flippers, helping them paddle through the water. Their feathers are waterproof, so when a duck dives under, the water just rolls right off. Flamingo. Tall, pink, and graceful. Flamingos are big birds known for their bright pink feathers and long, skinny legs. They often stand on just one leg. No one knows exactly why, but it makes them extra special. Flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat, like shrimp and tiny algae. Without those, they'd be more gray or white. They have curved beaks that act like little scoops, helping them filter food out of the water. Reptiles and amphibians. Reptiles are animals with dry, scaly skin. They usually lay eggs on land and love to soak up the sun to stay warm. Reptiles are great at crawling, climbing, and swimming, and many are super sneaky hunters. Amphibians, slimy and jumpy. Amphibians have smooth, wet skin and can live both in water and on land. That's what makes them special. Frog. Ribbit, jump, splash. Frogs are amphibians, which means they can live in both water and on land. They have smooth, wet skin and big, round eyes that help them see all around. Frogs are amazing jumpers. Their long, strong legs help them leap far distances. Some frogs can jump more than 20 times their own body length. Wow! Snake. Snakes are long, scaly reptiles with no legs. Instead of walking, they slither and slide across the ground, in trees, and even in water. They use their forked tongues to smell the air and find food. Snakes eat animals like mice, frogs, and even eggs. Some squeeze their food tightly before eating, while others use a quick strike with their sharp fangs. Lizard. Lizards are reptiles with scaly skin, 4 legs, and long tails. They love to soak up the sun to stay warm. Some lizards are tiny, like geckos, while others can grow really big, like iguanas or monitor lizards. Lizards are great climbers. Some can even stick to walls and ceilings. Geckos have special sticky toes that help them walk upside down. Many lizards eat insects, but some enjoy plants and fruits too. Turtle. Slow, steady, and super cool. Turtles are reptiles with hard shells on their backs. Their shell is like a built-in house that keeps them safe from danger. Some turtles live on land, while others live in water. Sea turtles are amazing swimmers with flippers, while land turtles use strong legs to walk slowly but steadily. Turtles eat plants, insects, or even small fish, depending on their kind. Pets. Pets are animals that live with people and bring love, fun, and joy to our homes. Now let's meet some of our furry, feathery, and sometimes scaly friends. Dog. Woof, woof. Dogs are loyal, playful, and loving animals that are often called man's best friend. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from tiny Chihuahuas to big Great Danes. Dogs love to run, jump, fetch, and play. They wag their tails to show happiness and sometimes bark to say hello, warn of danger, or just get attention. Dogs also have super noses. They can smell things humans can't, which is why some dogs help people as guides or in search and rescue missions. Cat. Cats are soft, curious, and playful animals that love to explore, nap, and cuddle. They come in many colors and patterns, from fluffy whites to stripes and spots. Cats make cute sounds like meowing, purring, and sometimes hissing if they're surprised. They are great hunters, too, chasing toys, balls, or even little bugs. Cats love climbing, jumping, and stretching their long, flexible bodies. Cats are curious, clever, and full of personality, making them fun and loving friends for people of all ages. Rabbit. Rabbits are fluffy, gentle animals with long ears and soft fur. They love to hop around, explore, and nibble on yummy vegetables like carrots and lettuce. Rabbits have strong back legs, which help them jump far and run fast when they need to escape from danger. Some rabbits even twitch their noses as they sniff around curiously.
I hope you learned something awesome today, friends. Keep exploring. Keep learning. And we'll have even more fun next time. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.